Okay, here it is finally, the Adams Pro Skylink garage door opener that, yes, I've converted to run on the side here. I've been getting a lot of requests for this one, so here it is. This guy, I really like this opener. It's got, this light is extremely bright. It's got 12 little LED lights on it. This guy has a battery backup option. I don't have the battery backup, but you can purchase it separately. I've got the normal stuff that goes along with it, safety beams and the wall console and a 3-button remote. And then everything you see here, all the hardware and everything to get it mounted up on the right side here. This can be mounted on the left or the right side. So I'll go ahead and run this for you. There it is. There's the extremely bright light. It's blinding here. Alright, I really like this model. It's got some pretty easy, it's very easy to program. It's super small, compact, and I've got about a 4 to 5 foot cord here, so you can mount this pretty much anywhere. And like I said, you can put this on the right or left side, and it's pretty nice. So if you got any questions, send them my way.